Levitation. If you've ever been to Europe, you've probably seen in the center of any city some street magician levitating in the air. This magic trick is quite mysterious, but there is a simple explanation behind it. The levitating man is like a living statue, but the main difference is that this trick supposedly goes against the laws of physics, given that the man is hovering in the air, holding only a cane, as if he were meditating. Usually these artists wear traditional Indian or Middle East costumes in order to look like wise men or yogis. But the truth is that these so-called magicians use a secret mechanism that holds them in place, and at the same time creates the illusion of levitation. The several layers of clothes are a great cover to hide the mechanism. The device used to perform this trick is actually quite simple. It has three main elements: a chair, a holding mechanism that goes from the platform through the cane into the hand around the back and all the way to the chair, and a platform hidden under a rug, a blanket, or the clothes used by a second person. As you see, it's not